Hey, you guys, thanks for listening in to this episode of Tips with T. On today, we are going to be talking about financial goal success for business owners. As well, the same way we set personal goals for ourselves, we need to set goals for our business, especially when it comes to finances. So I'm gonna go through and give a couple of tips. I have a few written here in front of me. So we're going to talk about some. Um, The first thing I would say you should do is clarify your financial objective. So before setting financial goals, it's important for you to clarify your overall business objectives. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve financially? Do you want to increase revenue, reduce costs, or improve profitability? And then once you have a clear understanding of your goals, break them down in smaller, achievable financial targets. I try to tell people, make a budget for yourself or just set a goal of saying how much you want to see per month, maybe inside of your business. And that can encourage you to when properly setting these goals. The next thing you need to do is create a budget. Developing a realistic and comprehensive budget is essential for every business. It helps you track your expenses, control costs, and allocate um, resources effectively. Divide your budget into different categories such as fixed costs, variable costs, capital investments, and regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. All right. Improve your cash flow is another thing we can do. And cash flow is it's like the lifeline or the lifeblood of any business. So aim to constantly improve your cash flow by reducing accounts receivable, um, managing inventory effectively, and negotiating favorable payments terms with suppliers. Analyze your cash flow statements regularly to identify areas where you can make improvements. Now I'm a pause here. I know I'm talking about the cash flow and creating a budget and stuff, things of that nature. If you are unable to do this for your business personally, hire a tax professional and they can walk through um with you personally and give you a itemized or a I won't say itemized, I would say more customized tax plan for your business, tax budget for your business. Okay. The fourth step, it will be, I would suggest is to monitor and control expenses. As a business owner, monitoring and controlling your expenses is crucial. It's critical. It can be crucial. It can be critical. But review your expense regularly and identify areas where you can cut costs or find more effective alternatives. Negotiate better rates with vendors, implementing energy saving measures, or switching to cloud-based software are a few examples of cost saving strategies. Y'all, I had to do this stuff myself when I had to do some of these things to control expenses for my business. Like, for instance, I did move most of my software to cloud-based software, which has been very, very helpful. Because that way, when everywhere I go, I can still access my software, whether I'm on my desktop, whether I'm on my laptop, whether I'm on my tablet, I can access the software that I need anywhere, from any device. And it was cost effective for me because that way, like I said, I could just log in instead of downloading or using software and have to download it in on each individual device that I use, which can be costly. Um, so I found that to be very, very helpful to me. Um, have found that some things like, that can save energy or that can save money. I have been implementing that too as well. So like during tax season, um, instead of me doing things the paper way, like old school paper way, like printing out paper, getting clients, I do everything electronically now. That way I can have a copy on file, they can have a copy on file, and it saves me when it comes to paper because paper hasn't went up. Paper is expensive. So those type of things that you can probably use to cut costs on your office expenses, um, do those type of things. All right. Tip number five, I would say, is to increase profitability, your profitability. So um, improving profitability should be a primary financial goal for business owners. Look for opportunities to increase revenue, reduce costs, or enhance your product or service offering. Regularly analyzing your financial statements and track key performance indicates to identify areas where you can optimize profitability. All right, so make sure you guys are doing that too. Another thing you want to do is try to reduce debt. So minimize business debt is important for long-term financial success. Make a plan to pay off outstanding debt, negotiate lower rates, or consolidate debt into a more favorable loan. Prioritize high interest debt and consider refinancing options that can lower your overall interest payments. Um, Number 7, save for expansion and investments. We should always be saving as business owners. I always tell my clients to even have a savings account so you can put money in savings for taxes, unexpected expenses. But especially if you want to expand and do investments, you definitely want to save. So successful business owners understand the importance of saving for future growth, investment opportunities. So allocate a portion of your profit to build a reserve for expansion, innovation, or unexpected challenges. All right. Set specific targets and explore investment options that align with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. And I kind of got ahead of myself because the next thing on my list is to seek professional guidance. I talked about this before. Well, this is the last thing I talked about is to seek professional guidance. Consider working with a financial advisor or a business coach who can provide expert guidance tailored to your business and goal objectives. Tap into these their expertise to develop a comprehensive financial plan and receive ongoing support in achieving your goals. Y'all, you don't have to do this alone. Um, because there are people who will help you achieve your goals. You just have to find the right one. And then build a relationship with them. Don't just talk to them one time a year when it's time to get your taxes done. If you have a tax professional that can do the business coaching, the financial advising, the planning, helping you plan throughout the year, utilize that person, y'all. Because I'm telling you, those people are rare. Some of them are hard to find, and some of them, like I know, um, where I am located, a lot of the older ones that have been in the game for a long period of time, they're starting to retire. So there's only a few of me that's really passionate about this left. Take advantage of the people that you know in your area that are passionate about helping to see the people in their community, their clients strive, their clients meet financial goals, and they're going to hold you accountable. They're going to work with you. They're going to truly help you understand what areas that you are struggling in, what areas that you can fix, what areas is your peak season, what season is your peak season, and what season is your off season, because different businesses during different times they have peak season and off peak season. So they will go through and teach you all these things and show you. Definitely get someone that's really willing to teach you and show you. I tell people don't go hands off, learn everything about your business because something might happen. Your tax professional, CPA, whatever might get sick, and you need to know what's going on in your business for yourself until they can get better or until you can find someone else to take over in the meantime. So don't go hands off. Actually learn about your business, about your financials, or things of that nature. You want to know where you financially stand anyways when it comes to your profitability of your business. Especially if you're looking to expand and do investments in real estate properties for your business or investment properties for your business. You want to know where you stand at financially and you want to set proper financial goals so you can achieve them. All right. So just wanted to come and share these couple of tips. If you guys need a consultation, if you guys are struggling with this, feel free to shoot me an email at contact, shoot me an email at contact@mjfinancial.biz. You can call me or text me at my number 910-317-0396. All right. I'll be more than um I'll be more than happy to help you, more than welcome to help you. You can visit my website if you need to schedule a consultation there. The website is www.mjfinancial.biz. You can schedule a consultation with me through the website. I'll be more than happy to speak with you, work with you, but make sure you have some type of financial plan and goaling in place for your business. All right. So you can see how you're doing, how you are striving. All right. From year to year. So I hope again Thanks you guys for listening to this episode of Tips with Tea. I hope it was very helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Tips with Tea.